We're telling Kenyans to turn up in large numbers, continue their business as normal, that their businesses will be protected, that security will be in full force to ensure that people and their property are not infringed upon, and that to the extent that the demonstrations are peaceful, they are allowed under our constitution. They can sing, they can march, they can walk, they cannot throw stones, they cannot beat up people, they cannot lash anyone. Those things that are not allowable within the constitution, they cannot do. But we are telling Kenyans that demonstrations will not fix the problem. The Supreme Court clearly said Parliament is working on what it needs to do. Now also, let me just mention this. There are a group of people in this country who think that whenever there is a national issue that needs to be sorted, it must be removed from Parliament. And I ask them, why did we elect a Parliament? Why do we vote for these institutions? Why do we give them budgets? If any time we have to make a decision that can be decided by the existing institutions, why do we move outside the institutions? Moving outside institutions that are established to do this work, you will know is no more than demagoguery. So demagogues will do this type of thing because you thrive outside of established space. You thrive in anarchy. But this country has institutions. So demagogues really have to find their place because institutions in this country will be allowed to run.